So Mandela, oh, windy.
Oh, yeah, cold.
Windy and, oh, there's a random kid down there.
There's a child.
Hey?
There's a child down there, yeah.
There's a child. Yeah. Got lots of piles of dirt here, Mandela.
Yeah, mate. That's what I do, make piles of dirt.
Right. Well, you've certainly done a good job of that. It is cold. It's like the North Pole here.
Oh.
Jesus. That's some sun. Ooh,
This might drop in slowly.
This is like a skateboard park.
Yeah, you come up here and then you're back in second gear and floor it.
Crusty demons would like your work.
You keep yourself in a line. You keep your daydream clean. When everybody wants to know you more and more. Now all your friends are mine. They keep my daydream clean. When everybody wants to know you more and more.
Morning. The Amish Gangsta. Look at that.
How are we, kids?
It's got it going on. Oh, it's warmer here, isn't it? It's freezing up there.
Yeah, nice in the sun.
Yep. How high are we imagining this wall?
30, 40 metres.
30, 40 metres?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Be bolder.
Doable!
Yes.
We're going to call this segment Behind the Bucket Man.
This is my kind of gig, swales, because these things are so hard to get on a curve. Like, they're all good straight back and forth.
Yep.
But I'm following the master's lead on the curvature of the ground.
You're trusting that my laser level works. It was from eBay.
I'm totally trusting it. And your orange pegs.
You can see them, couldn't you?
I've shaved them all, but like, dams develop, like, you have an idea to start with, and then they tell you what they want to be. So at the moment, this line is beautiful. You got a track, but you got an inverse track going around. But yeah, it's, well, what do you think? I mean, that's how the dam's developing. What are your thoughts?
I had originally thought this wouldn't be much of a dam, to be honest. I thought it'd just be maybe half a meg, just kind of sat over the side.
Yeah. Well, see, you got me on the job.
Well, that's right.
Automatically, the dam
It's going to be exponentially larger.
Yeah. So what we got here, Amish, is a conundrum wrapped in an opportunity. Okay.
It's like life.
So,
Like life.
like life. I thought you said like my wife.
No.
So what we got here is a balance in a number of things. So the goal is to bring up the wall, right? Because the further we bring up the wall, the further the water goes back, okay? But it's all in balance, because to get this wall up, I've got to get fill from somewhere, and most likely it's here. So the more I shave here, the more steeper this is going to get. and to get that up. So then, you know, you can see where the level is, I'm kind of shooting for just below that road. The other way to do it is, if you don't want that to get steeper, is to move the wall back this way. But then you'll need more fill to get the same height. So if you move it back with the same amount of fill, you'll drop the level further down.
I wonder from top dam if we'll have extra fill.
To push into this wall? Well, I'll tell you a couple of things here. This dam is friggin' awesome because I've not hit rock yet, and all I'm getting is great clay.
That's good.
I would say this is going to be your most reliable dam.
For holding water.
Holding water, yeah. But see, okay, so this swale, where I've cut your swale, it's a beautiful, beautiful line.
Yes.
Now that swale will have to be the inside of the wall. So the wall's going to have to be this side of the swale for these swales to make sense and work.
Yes.
And what's going to happen, this little windrow here is essentially a continuation of your wall.
Yes, okay. That'll come out.
Yeah.
And grey down into there.
Now the thing is this, all the swale has been levelled. It's all level, isn't it?
The pegs will level, yep.
Okay. So what you've got to decide is where's your in and where's your out. And what I'd say, well, you got to decide where you want the water to go, because the water's got to go somewhere. It can't just sit in an even swale.
Yes.
Because it won't empty. And so it'll top the swale.
That's where the spillway across the part of the swale top will come into it, will it?
Well, I was thinking that the swale will actually be the spillway and it'll just empty. What I was thinking, and I'm just throwing this to you, this is your in point, collecting everything from there, comes into the dam through there, and then this swale is cut slightly from the top to the bottom, is cut slightly, like about a metre. So there's a little bit of fall, but it depends where you want the water to go and what you're wanting to do.
My hope for the swale was that when the dam and the swale are 100% full,
yep,
they're both 100% full,
yep,
and it sits there.
Yep.
And the water from the swale,
yep,
and the top, 60 centimetres of the dam,
yep,
will seep into below the swales, so that on either side of where we're sitting here, that
yep, side,
and over there,
yep,
I can put a lot of trees,
yep,
and they'll be fed from the seepage from the swale.
Yes.
That's my thought. That's
noted.
Yeah.
Where is the water going to exit in your mind?
Spillway on this, basically where we're sitting right here.
Yep.
To go down into that way. And another spillway at the other end of the swale to go into Big Dam.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay.
So that when it's flooding,
yep,
all this water here, all this catchment here, coming into the middle dam,
yep,
go up filling the swale.
Yep.
If the swale's too full, it'll drop out of a spillway down here.
Yep.
If the other end of the swale fills up, it'll drop into Big Dam.
Right, so you want it running off the end at the Big Dam. How much water do you want in the swales?
I was imagining they'd be about 600 mil deep, and then 600 high, yep, is the wall of the swale,
yep,
and then 200 from the top down to the bottom is the spillway at the other end.
Okay.
Does that work? This is just my dreaming.
You're going to collect a lot of water in this dam. Yeah.
Yes, so my flow of water was from the big hill,
yep,
down the valley,
yep,
across the swale into top dam,
yep,
across here,
yep,
spillway down into middle dam,
yep,
middle dam, and the swale fill up all the way across,
yep,
spill off down into here and off into Big Dam.
What I've got to do, which I've been avoiding, is actually winch those trees out because I've never winched. And so...
I've watched it a few times.
Do you reckon you know? Do you want to be my winch
man? Winch man.
Because I'll get over there and then you can do all the shit. And I'll just go...
Oh, look, if Mandela can do it.
I was going to say that.
Oh, here comes Mandela.
Yeah. Thank God, Mandela. There's fucking discussions going on.
Is this a dozer driver convention or something?
I just doze and I'm having to make decisions.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side of the swale, I'll tell you that right now.
I am not.
You are.
I'm not.
You're on the top side of it.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah.
Right. That's the side that goes into the dam. Correct? Correct. Oh, by the way, you're welcome.
Just disregard everything I say about don't worry, waste time on the tree and push it over. No worries, you're welcome.
You didn't say that.
Yeah, I did.
No, I was in my fucking way anyway.
Yeah, I bet.
Fuck off. Jesus Christ. Fucking micromanagers.
You're the bum labourer, I'm the boss, alright? Don't
Well,
give me cheek.
if you were here.
Don't give me cheek.
If you were here.
I was doing boss things.
Are you guys usually this angry, or is it just me?
And what we've discovered is this is going to be an inverse wall. No?
Well, it doesn't have to be.
No, but
The swale can come in halfway along the dam like it is on the top one.
yeah, that's how you do it. This is how I do it.
Well,
this is
That's how
let's see whose looks better, okay?
That's how we had
let's
to do
not
it.
talk about it.
Well, there's some good news. There's some mediocre news. And there's some...
Don't do that. I hate it when people do this shit.
It's not that bad in news, actually.
You're not very good at the drums. Is that the bad news?
I thought she said you're not very good at the dramas, and I was going to disagree.
You obviously haven't met Deneg Nelly.
I'm just getting used to this dynamic that's going on here.
It's
usually quite civil between us. You know? Yeah.
No.
Are there any bog spots around?
No.
Is there any wet spots anywhere that you are going to
Before
go?
you
I'll go right
start on
into
this
it,
shit,
but you just stay in the dry
what
zone.
the fuck? What about this? You've been to Taree and back, and I've made a dam.
Yeah.
Okay.
You made a dam.
Yeah.
You pushed a bit of dirt out of the way.
Oh, fuck me. Damn.
You haven't even got down to the good stuff yet, mate.
Yeah. What's that? What, the good stuff, the rock? No, I'm avoiding the good stuff. So I think this will be my dam.
Okay.
I think it's a dam. It's a dam off.
It's a dam off.
Yeah, and we'll see who's got the best dam.
We'll see.
That's what it's all
I'm going to
about.
find myself a new bum labourer. This one just keeps giving me cheek.
You'll be glad to have Nick.
I need
After
a
me.
new lackey.
I did not go to Lackey School.
How's the dozer operating going for you?
Oh,
Good?
fuck, man. Tell you what, this is just so crazy.
You were looking a bit worried first thing this morning, though.
He was.
Shut up,
Like off
Scott.
video footage.
Shut
But
it.
You happy, Scott?
I was born happy.
Alright, let's go and winch some shit.
We're going to winch this tree out.
Yeah. Sometime
It
today.
snapped off, didn't it?
What?
The tree.
No, it fell over.
Huh?
Fell over.
Fell over.
Yeah.
Did the roots come with it?
Well, we'll soon know. But,
Because it's in two pieces.
yeah, because it's split up.
Yeah.
No.
It was in one piece at the bottom there. Which is like why I asked him to split.
Deal with it. Okay?
Let's go.
It's a tree. It fell over.
Okay.
It broke.
Oh, no, it broke, didn't it? Yeah,
I didn't break it.
Oh,
It fell over.
it broke.
Oh, I can't believe you're not just... Oh, thank you for knocking over the tree. Just call me the weed whacker.
The weed one.
Right.
I was going to knock it over. That's why we were getting the tree pusher. But
Yeah, well, we don't need it now.
okay, we don't need
So we just saved a whole day of fucking around. Hey?
We did just save a
Yeah.
whole day, half a day of fucking around, yeah.
Is that your new nickname? The tree pusher?
No, weed whacker.
Sweet as.
Yep, sweet ass.
What are you listening to?
I'm listening to Trumpocracy,
Yeah.
which is a combination of Trump and hypocrisy, or democracy. How Trump is destroying the world. What are your thoughts on that?
I think he's a symptom.
A symptom
Yep.
of the whole
It's very,
malaise.
very easy to point fingers at one person.
Right.
It's 3 fingers pointing back.
Oh, don't say that. because my wife's father says that to me all the time when I say, "You're wrong."